Welcome to Photoshop Lab. Let's start this by using selection tool and select our subject. Select and mask to refine the selection. I will be using refine hair tool to refine the hair part of my subject. After fixing the selection, hit OK. Then add layer mask, then convert to smart object. Drag your subject to the main canvas. Ctrl T to resize your main subject. Then, ensure that your foreground color is white and your background color is black. Then go to Filter Gallery, select the filter Glowing Edges. You can play around with the sliders based on your main image or subject. After that, add gradient map. Then select the black and white combination. Hit reverse. Then clip the gradient map to your main subject. Here you can add your text. Then add a new layer below your text. Use brush tool with zero edge. Then set the foreground color to black. Set float to 1, then start brushing. Flatten layers. Ctrl Shift Alt plus E. Then convert it into smart object. Go to filter, then add some noise. You can stop here, but if you want to move forward, then continue watching. Here I'll be adding another adjustment layer, which is the gradient map. You can select your own gradient combination, but I'll be using this particular color combination. For this specific gradient map setting, I'll be using the reverse version of it. From here, I'll be adding and using different adjustment layer tools like the curve tool, hue tool, to further enhance the unity and look of the final product. Once again, thank you so much for watching.